Usually, when India won a Cricket World Cup in 2011, ICC Cricket World Cup at India, we have celebrated that thing. But 109 years ago, when old Indian club called themselves as Mohun Bagan defeated the Eastern Yorkshire Regiment at IFA Shield 1911, which was taken place in Kolkata. But today we forget about their legend. Today's topic is Mohun Bagan versus British Imperialism. I am Murli. Welcome to Story of History. July 1911, Old Indian club Mohun Bagan defeated Eastern Yorkshire Regiment by 2-1 in the final of IFA Shield. The tournament was named after the Indian Football Federation, which is oldest football federation in India at a time of 1893, making the fourth oldest football competition in history. However, the Indians were not allowed to join the IFA until 1920s. The IFA consisted to high British ranking officers, and tournament usually included British regiment and teams. After Mohun Bagan victory in 1911 IFA Shield, which makes one of the greatest sporting victories in India, Mohun Bagan became the first Indian club to win IFA Shield. This also a nationalist symbol in India for independence. Mohun Bagan was coached by Sailen Basu, was a major in British Indian Army. The strict practice of Mohun Bagan paid the price to by dominating the tournament and facing the British regimental club. Due to this, Mohun Bagan were invited to play IFA Shield in 1909. Mohun Bagan follows the tournament which follows the tournament by 2-3-5 formation, which is called the pyramid. The team was built by the Rajendranath Sengupta, the central midfielder for attack and defense. There was inspirational captain Shibdas Baduri, and Mohun Bagan players played football at barefooted. The campaign was started in 19 July 1911. Mohun Bagan defeated St. Xavier into 3-0, in which 3 goals were scored by Mohun Bagan. In 14 July 1911, the Mohun Bagan defeated Ranger FC in 2-1, in which 2 goals were scored by Mohun Bagan. After which, in quarter-final, Mohun Bagan defeated Rifle Bridge at 1-0 margin. After this, Mohun Bagan were qualified to semi-final, and they played match against Middlesex Regiment in which they drew. However, on the next day, Mohun Bagan defeated Middlesex into 3-0 thanks to the help of Jitendranath Roy, Shirish Chandra Sarkar. The final match was set against Mohun Bagan against the Eastern Yorkshire Regiment. On 29 July 1911, the ground was in Kolkata. The East India Railway Company hired special train to Kolkata from all over the India. There was 1 lakh spectators gathered in the ground for supporting Mohun Bagan. The match was started between Mohun Bagan versus Eastern Yorkshire Regiment. The first half was turned into 0-0. After the second half, within 15 minutes, Eastern Yorkshire Regiment took the lead. However, Mohun Bagan started attacking, into which next 15 minutes responded by Shibdas Baduri goal. Mohun Bagan equalizes. Soon after the flying green and maroon kites were flown in the sky. After which, the central forward Abhilash Ghosh scored a goal for winning the IFA Shield into 2-1. After which, it gave confidence to the Indians that India can gain independence from the British. However, it turned also a national symbol for independence for India. Mohun Bagan is not a football club. It is an oppressed country rolling the dust which has started the rise its head, which was told by Achintya Kumar Sengupta. This video was dedicated to the Mohun Bagan's Immortal 11. The players are Shivdas Baduri, the captain, Vijay Das Baduri, Abhilash Ghosh, Hiralal Mukherjee, A. Shukul, Rev Sudhir Chatterjee, Manmohan Mukherjee, Ranjendranath Sengupta, Shirish Chandra Sarkar, Neelamadab Bhattacharya, Jatindranath Kanu Roy, and also the coach of Mohun Bagan, Shailen Basu. If you love the video, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Signing off, Murli Dharan. Thank you.